Semi-detailed lesson plan English 4 and 5. In the grade 4 column, the objectives are at the end of the lesson, the pupil should be able to A. Define the connotation and denotation, B. Identify connotation and denotation, C. Differentiate connotation between denotation. In the grade 5 column, the objectives are at the end of the lesson, the pupil should be able to A. Identify the final consonant blends, which is TH, CH, and SH. B. Enumerate words with final consonant blends, which is TH, CH, and SH. And C. Construct sentences with the use of final consonant blends, which is TH, CH, and SH. Subject matter. In the grade 4 column, the topic is identify different meaning of content-specific words. Subtopic, connotation and denotation. Reference, URL is seen from the column. D. The materials that use. D1 is for the teacher. PowerPoint presentation. D.2 is for the students. Pen, paper, cartolina, and coloring materials. Strategies. Discussion, oral recitation, games, picture analysis, and group activity. In the grade 5 column, the topic is identifying final consonant blends. The subtopic is TH, CH, and SH. The reference book is Let's Get Better in English page 118 to 140. The materials that choose for the teacher, PowerPoint presentation, cartolina, whiteboard, and whiteboard marker. For the pupils, pencil and paper. Strategies, video presentation, discussion, cooperative learning, recitation, quiz, games, and story analysis. Lesson procedure in the grade 4 column. A. Daily classroom routine. 8.1 Greeting. 8.2 Prayer. 8.3 Classroom conditioning. 8.4 Checking of attendance. 8.5 Checking of assignment. In the grade 5 column, daily classroom routine. 8.1 Greeting. 8.2 Prayer. 8.3 Classroom conditioning. 8.4 Checking of attendance. 8.5 Checking of assignment. Review of the past lesson in the grade 4 column. The teacher will ask the student questions about the previous topic, which is plural form of regular nouns. In the grade 5 column, the review of past lesson is the teacher will ask questions regarding to the previous topic, which was punctuation mark, period, comma, question mark, and exclamation point. The drill in the grade 4 column, guess the picture. Guess the image that is presented. Give the meaning and what image symbolize. The drill in grade 5 column, see me, guess me. Guess the different picture of the object, place, and etc. that contains final consonant blends, which is CH, TH, and SH. As you give the correct answer, you will get additional 3 points for the quiz. The motivation in the grade 4 column is short but known. Identify in the short rhyme the word with connotation and denotation meaning and explain it. In the grade 5 column, the motivation is story analysis. Identify the final consonant blends in the story presented. The lesson proper in grade 4 column, the E1 is the teacher will explain the meaning of connotation and denotation. E2, the teacher will explain the difference between connotation and denotation. E3, the pupils identify the connotation and denotation. The E4, the teacher will ask the pupils to give examples of connotation and denotation. E.5 is that pupils will give their own examples of words and will explain the meaning and connotation and denotation. The lesson proper in grade 5 column, E1, the teacher will define the final consonant blends. E2, the teacher will explain how would you easily identify the final consonant blends. E3, the teacher will give the different words of final consonant blends. E4, the pupils will identify the final consonant blends in the given words. E5, the pupils will give examples of words with the final consonant blends. Generalization of the grade 4 column, answer the following question. 1. Explain the meaning of connotation and denotation. 2. Give the difference between connotation and denotation. 3. Give example of words and give meaning in connotation and denotation. Generalization of the grade 5 column. Answer the following question. 1. Explain the final consonant blends. 2. Give example of final consonant blends. Values integration of grade 4 column. Valuing the importance of the connotation and denotation will help the learners to easily identify with different meaning. Also, the pupils will appreciate giving meaning in different words. The value integration, the pupils will appreciate the importance of the final consonant blends. They will also know that it will help them to easily identify unfamiliar words using the patterns or sign when reading. The application in grade 4 column is sing it, find it, explain it. The class will be divided into 3 groups and each group will recite a poem given by the teacher. The pupils will perform with energy and choreography. Then the pupils will choose the words in the poem and give the meaning of connotation and denotation of each words. Application in the grade 5 column is think it, guess, and create it. The class will divide into 4 groups. Each group will answer. The diagram contains pictures of objects or places with the final consonant blends. They will identify what objects or places are in the picture and will create sentences about the picture. Evaluation in the grade 4 column. Draw it, express it. The pupils already have their groups. This time, the student will create a poster of an object or animals in the white cartolina. Then they will write the meaning of the objects or animals that they draw. Aside from that, they will explain what is the reason why they choose the object or animal to draw. The evaluation in grade 5 column, the students will identify and underline the words with final consonant blends in the sentences given by the teacher. The assignment in the grade 4 column, define the compound words and give 5 examples. Assignment in grade 5 column, define adjective. Give the kinds of adjective.